Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 9 latest defense update. Project Zorawar has faced engine delays, leading to a potential shift to an American Cummins engine. India's ambitious Project Zorawar, aimed at developing a 25-ton light battle tank to counter Chinese deployments in high altitude, has faced engine delays, leading to a potential shift to an American Cummins engine for the program. The project is a joint effort by DRDO and L&T. Next, Indian Navy to explore UUVs for enhanced submarine operation. UUV is unmanned underwater vehicles. The Indian Navy is on the path of modernization and augmentation of the capabilities, and one of the latest developments involved the incorporation of unmanned underwater vehicles into its submarine fleet. These UUVs are set to play a significant role in various underwater operations, providing the Navy with advanced capabilities and versatility. Next, state-of-the-art satellite infrastructure facility is to be established in Hyderabad by Dhruva Space. Hyderabad-based space technology startup Dhruva Space has unveiled ambitious plans for a cutting-edge facility sprawling across 2.8 lakh square feet on the outskirts of the city. This state-of-the-art center will be dedicated to manufacturing, assembly and testing of large-scale satellite infrastructure, as announced by the startup on October 14th. Next, Chennai's KIC, that is Kothari Industrial Corporation, invests 150 crore to expand drone business. Chennai-based Kothari Industrial Corporation, a subsidiary of the DC Kothari Group, is embarking on a significant expansion of its drone business with a planned investment of over 150 crore in the coming years. Next, Indian Navy strengthens maritime security cooperation with Nigeria. In a bid to enhance maritime security in the Gulf of Guinea and protect international trade routes, the Nigerian and Indian navies have bolstered their cooperation. As part of this collaboration, the Indian Navy ship Sumedha recently arrived in Lagos for a 3-day port call. Next, discussion on IMEEC and global concerns at G20 meeting. India's Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman addressed the media following a meeting of G20 finance ministers and central bank governors in Marrakesh, Morocco. She provided insights into the proposed India-Middle East-Europe economic corridor and discussed the impact of global concerns, including the Middle East conflict and its effect on fuel prices. Next, a notification is issued by government to observe August 23 as National Space Day. The central government has issued a notification that August 23rd will be observed as National Space Day to commemorate the success of the Chandrayaan 3 mission. Next, ISRO to conduct 3 more test flights for Gaganyaan Mission. ISRO will conduct 3 more test vehicle missions under the ambitious Gaganyaan program after the maiden TVD-1 test flight, which is scheduled on October 21st. The space agency's chairman S. Somnath said on Saturday. Next, Operation Ajay is conducted to carry Indians from Israel back to India. A special flight carrying 274 Indian nationals wanting to leave Israel amidst the Israel-Hamas war left for home on Saturday, the second in a day and fourth since the launch of Operation Ajay. The special flights are part of the operation launched on October 12 to facilitate the return of those Indian nationals who wish to return home following the brazen attacks on Israeli town by Hamas militants from Gaza on October 7. Next,